Planning to visit Leyte? Don't miss to visit Cuatro Islas located in Inapacan, Leyte. It's only 124 kilometers away from Tacloban Airport. Pwede ka rin mag-side trip if you're coming from Ormoc City. 6 a.m. nga kami umalis from Capoocan and almost 3 hours na kami nakarating. Wala pa kasi kaming almusal so we had breakfast along the way. We were going on a camping so bumili na rin kami ng mga pagkain na dadalhin at lulutuin sa island. If you want to buy fresh seafood, I recommend na mag-stop over kayo dito sa Baybay Public Market and this is the landmark. By the way, yung tourism office nila nasa likod lang ng Municipal Hall so you just have to get inside at huwag mahiyang magtanong. The Cuatro Islas are a group of 4 small islands. These are Apid, Himoklan, Mahaba, and Digyo where you can set up your tent and stay overnight. They also offered cottages for only 800 pesos. Kung gusto niyo naman mag-day tour, no problem. You just have to pay the entrance fee of 200 pesos each pax. And for island hopping, I'm not sure pero 3,500 yung binayaran namin. It may change siguro, depends on how long you'll stay. Pero dahil overnight nga kami, that's why we paid 3,500 pesos for the boat, good for 10 packs, and that includes island hopping sa 3 islas, 200 pesos per entrance fee each packs, and 800 pesos for the cottage. Boat travel is approximately 30 minutes. May coast guard din sila na mag-a-advise if it's safe to travel or not. So kung matatakotin ka, pwede ka na tumalon or wag ka na lang sumama. Charot. Again, boat rental is 3,500, good for 10 packs, so divide na lang sa 10 at yun yung paghahatian nyo ng barkada. At kung ikaw naman lagi yung taya, be, lumangoy ka na lang or magkayak, napakagalante sa babae. First stop, Digyo Island. Pagkababangan namin, nagluto na kaagad kami ng lunch. I advise na magdala na lang kayo ng sarili niyong lutuan at ihawan dahil limited lang yung mga gamit nila dito. Pero kung tamad talaga kayo magluto, no worries cause they offered paluto service. And tsaka na lang kami nag-setup ng tent after namin kumain. Guys, take note, expect na walang kuryente sa isla, kaya ka nga sa isla, di ba? So be prepared at dalhin mo na lahat ng ilaw niyo sa bahay. Lamp, emergency light, LED light, or solar light. Another reminders, bawal maarte dito. Kung okay ka maligo sa dagat na hindi nagbabanlaw, very good for you. Pero kung katihin ka gaya ko, ay be, magbayad ka ng 50 pesos per dog para sa tubig pambanlaw.